everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Minnie and I love sharing all things handbags, accessories, bath and body care, and a little extra. If you guys are new here, please make sure to go ahead and like this video. Also go ahead and subscribe, leave a nice comment down below and click the bell. That way you guys are always notified every time I upload a video. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. All right guys, so today I am doing my third unboxing for I Love Dooney's Mother's Day sale. Now, I'm not sure when I'm going to upload these videos because I actually had to wait a week apart for each one of these bags to come. But hopefully, if it's not out by Mother's Day, I'll still put it out and you guys will still be able to enjoy my unboxings. Now, I hope you guys had an opportunity to take advantage of the I Love Dooney and the dooney.com Mother's Day sale. And I hope everybody had an amazing Mother's Day weekend. So before we get into the unboxing, guys, just a little bit about this purchase. So this particular bag that I picked up is another favorite silhouette from Dooney that I love. And the material, the leather that I picked up is one that I don't have in my collection. This will be the very first one. And the color as well. So I am super excited about that. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this unboxing. Is the Tasha Drawstring, and this is in the color Jade. And y'all, do y'all see this color? It is absolutely gorgeous. But yes, this is what I picked up, and this is in the Wexford leather material. Now, I do not have anything in that material in my collection whatsoever, and I was talking about it with Miss P down in the comments, I believe in one of her videos, and we were asking each other if we had anything in this leather, and I said that I didn't, and she said she didn't either. And I said that I really wanted to pick something up in that leather. So when I Love Dooney had their Mother's Day sale going on, I decided why not, because the price that I got this for, you can't beat. So I picked this up on sale for $119. Yes, $119 is what I picked it up for. So hopefully you guys will be able to see that. That is $119.30 is what I picked it up for. And this is the Tasha Drawstring in the color Jade. Y'all, I am super excited to finally have the color Jade in my collection. Now, when I saw this color for the first time, I saw this on Mono's Beauty channel, and I believe she had it in the Florentine satchel, which you guys already know I'm a sucker for Florentine satchel. I absolutely love Dooney satchels. So when I saw that color, I was on the hunt to either find me a satchel, a drawstring, or a tote bag in the color Jade. So when I saw this pop up on the shop, I'm like, this screams summer and it screams spring. So I added it to cart, and the total price was $127.65, y'all. So you cannot beat that. So I'm sorry guys, because I am bumping the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to get into this beauty right here. So let's go ahead and unpack her. And this drawstring is huge, y'all. Oh, I love the Tasha drawstrings, because they literally hold everything you need and then some. And this is just the card for it. It says Tasha drawstring in the color Jade. Okay. it. All right, guys, so let's go over some of the features on this beautiful bag right here. I'm going to start off with the dimensions of the bag. So the height of the bag is 11 inches. The length of the bag is 10.25 inches. And the width of the bag is 7.25. So this is a big bag, y'all. Absolutely. And I love this because I do have this in the DB75 print as well, too. All right, and this bag weighs 1 pound 9 ounces, and it does come with tassels on the front, so I absolutely love that. I do love some good tassels on a drawstring. And when I tell y'all this leather, oh my God, it is so soft. Y'all, I love the way this feels. This is so soft and supple. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love that. And I love the trim on the top of the bag as well too. It does come with feet on the bottom. So you have your 4 feet on the bottom with your leather tabs as well too. And then let's take a peek in the inside of this beauty. All right, it comes with a dust bag. Comes with the key hook. And the only thing, y'all, that I am not crazy about with the Tashas is that the scraps on here are not detachable. If anybody from ilovedooney or dooney.com is paying attention, or just Dooney and Burke in general, give us scraps that you can detach from the bag. Hello. We have been saying this forever and a day. All right, so it does have the braided scrap on the sides here. It has gold hardware throughout the bag. It has the Dooney and Burke plate here on the front. And we're going to go ahead and take some of the stuffing out. And in the inside of this beautiful bag, you do have your signature Dooney setup, which is the zip and slip. And then on the front side, you get your 2 slip pockets as well too. So you get your 2 slip pockets here, and you get your zip and slip on the back. And it also comes with the Dooney leather tab on the back, and you get that red lining in the inside as well too. This bag is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I love the color, and I absolutely love the feel of this bag. This leather is so soft and so smooth. So all I'm gonna say is, if you don't have any of the Wexford collection or handbags in your collection, go on the site and grab yourself one. Because currently, right now, on I Love Dooney, they do have this same bag on sale for $125 with the code SPRING. Okay, and the colors that they do have available right now is black. They have the coral, which is another color that I'm considering getting. They also have it in the midnight blue, which is a really pretty color. And then they also have it in the mulberry. That's a really pretty color. And I'm wondering if anybody has the mulberry, let me know if that color is really close to the wine color from for Dooney and Burke as well too. And then they also have it in white and in blush. And like I said, the price is going for $125 right now with the code SPRING. You definitely cannot beat that. It was a little bit cheaper for the Mother's Day sale, but $125 is still an excellent price for a Tasha, because like I said, this is a large drawstring bag and you can fit everything in here. And I'm one of those girls, you know, I like to carry everything, including the kitchen sink. So when I tell you can fit everything in this bag, you can fit everything in this bag. So if you don't have anything from the Wexford collection, definitely go check out I Love Dooney and see what they have on sale for the spring sale and pick you up something, because this is a really soft, smooth, supple leather. It feels so good, y'all. So you heard it here first. I absolutely love it. I definitely will be picking up something else out of this collection. I want to see if they have a satchel in this collection as well too, and if they do, your girl may have to pick it up, especially if they got a good sale going on right now for the spring sale. Now the only thing I need to do now is find me some accessories to go with this beautiful bag. So until next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.